Hello, and welcome to another edition of WTF Just Happened Today, your essential guide to making the news make sense. It's Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026, and I'm Matt Kieser. Today's edition was written and edited by me, and this audio version was narrated using text-to-speech and a clone of my voice. Same stories, just rewritten for audio. And as a reminder, this is a working prototype, so if something sounds off, please let me know at wtfjht.com/feedback. Now, here's what just happened today. First up, Trump signed a roughly $1.2 trillion spending package into law, ending the 3-day partial federal government shutdown. The measure funded most agencies through September 30th. DHS funding expires February 13th. Leaving about 10 days for Congress and the White House to pass a separate DHS bill or face a department shutdown. Democrats tied longer-term DHS funding to new guardrails on immigration enforcement, including body cameras, identifying themselves, not wearing masks, and requiring warrants for some operations. House Republicans, however, signaled they won't accept at least some of those demands, especially judicial warrant requirements. Next, the U.S. military shot down an Iranian drone after it aggressively approached the aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln in the Arabian Sea and wouldn't turn away. The Navy described the drone's intent as unclear and framed the shootdown as self-defense. Hours later, Iranian Revolutionary Guard boats and another drone approached a U.S.-flagged oil tanker in the Strait of Hormuz at high speed and threatened to board it. A U.S. destroyer showed up and escorted it until the situation de-escalated. Meanwhile, a federal judge temporarily blocked the Trump administration from ending TPS for more than 350,000 Haitians, ordering DHS to extend the program set to expire this week. U.S. District Judge Ana Reyes said Kristi Noem likely failed to follow required procedures, and that the record showed no evidence backing the claim that Haitian TPS holders threatened U.S. interests. In other news, Tulsi Gabbard told Congress that Trump asked her to show up while the FBI searched Fulton County, Georgia's election office, and that she watched for only a brief period of time. She said she acted under her broad statutory authority and acknowledged she facilitated a brief phone call so Trump could thank the agents, while insisting neither she nor Trump asked questions or issued directives. Next, Congress still hadn't received a whistleblower complaint filed last May accusing Tulsi Gabbard of wrongdoing. The complaint was described as locked in a safe, with the Inspector General's office citing exceptionally sensitive materials, while Gabbard's office called it baseless and politically motivated. Finally, in a new poll, 62% of Americans said ICE officers had gone too far, up from 58% in a poll conducted just before Alex Pretti was shot and killed in Minneapolis. Among Republicans, 30% said ICE had gone too far, up from 20% before the shooting. That's all for now. You can find the full edition and all the cited sources at wtfjht.com. And if you have a minute, help me improve this audio edition. wtfjht.com/feedback. Thanks for listening. I'm Matt Kieser, and I'm glad you're here.